everyone, it's Jade from Sweet Softies here. Just wanted to give you a quick update and show you baby Lena Rose wearing this little lacy floral headband that I just crocheted her during her very short 30-minute nap. I know, what was up with that, baby? This headband won't take you 30 minutes actually, it's much quicker than that. But it's basically just wonderful stash buster to make. If you're interested, please check out the free written pattern on my blog, and I'll also have up a video tutorial on my YouTube channel. So take a look if you'd like to make one too. I'll be adding some accessories to it later on, such as flowers and leaves and all that good stuff. So stay tuned for the evolution of this sweet little headband. Alright, thank you so much, and we'll see you later.